Level 6, Unit 16, dividing the numbers up to 90 by 2 through 9. Unit 16.1, dividing numbers up to 70 by 5 through 9. Example A. 64 divided by what number equals 8? Well, let's work backwards and ask ourselves, 8 times what number equals 64? Our answer is 8. Example B. 67 divided by 5 equals what? Well, there's not a number that you can multiply by that's going to equal exactly 67. But we need to look at what number is going to be closest without going over. Well, 12 times 5 is 60. Well, we have a remainder of 7, and we don't want to have a remainder higher than 5. So that means that 13 times 5 is going to be 65. And then we will have a remainder of 2. Unit 16.2. Dividing the numbers up to 75 by 6 through 9. Example A. 72 divided by 9. We should know, based off our multiplication facts, that 8 times 9 equals 72. Example B. 75 divided by 8 equals what? Again, we have to think about our multiplication facts and say what number is going to be multiplied times 8 that's closest to 75 without going over. That would be 9. 9 times 8 is 72. When I take 72 away from 75, I have a remainder of 3. Unit 16.3, dividing the numbers up to 80 by 7 through 9. Let's look at example A. Nope, let's look at example B. 77 divided by 7. What number can I multiply times 7? That's going to give me 77. The answer is 11. Let's look at example C. 80 divided by 9. That is not going to give us an even number or a whole number. So therefore you ask yourself, what number times 9 gives you closest to 7 or closest to 80 without going over? Well, we know 9 times 9 is 81. That's over. So we have to look at 9 times 8, which is 72. When we subtract those two, or when we take 72 away, we get 8 as a remainder. Unit 16.4. Dividing the numbers up to 85 by 8 and 9. Let's look at example A. 81 divided by 8. What number times 8 is closest to 81 without going over? That would be 10. 10 times 8 is 80. When we subtract 80 away, we're going to have a remainder, or what's left over is 1. Example B. What number divided by 9 equals 7 remainder 3? We have to work backwards. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus our remainder of 3 gives us a beginning number of 66. Let's look at Unit 16.5, dividing the numbers up to 90 by 2 through 9. Example A. 82 divided by 8. What number times 8 gives us the closest to 82 without going over? That is 10. 10 times 8 is 80. When we subtract 80 away, we're going to have a remainder of 2.